seemed like a good idea at the time. I had the capital, and I imagine it'll be a good future investment. Hello, my name's Chuck Jolliffe, and as far as I know about the solar, it's a good thing to not have to pay electricity bills. That's how my life has changed, and it's a good change. You know, it's doing its job, and that's what you want. You want it to be doing its job, saving you money, and you can use that money for something else. How about that? I expected that I got a large enough system that I wouldn't be paying electricity bills throughout the year, because in the summer, there's the sun shines typically, and you get a lot more sun than you would in the winter time, and so you need to bank those credits in order that in the winter months you don't pay it. So there you go. You know how dreary winter is. It's called cloudy. That's dreary. So you don't get a lot of sun. So don't expect your solar to do a lot for you during the winter months. That's just a fact of living in Canada. I would say $1,400 to $1,500 for electricity. Getting rid of the distribution business that Hydro One's going to stick you with regardless of how much you have. That's what you're not paying in electricity bills. Relative to the amount of money that you invest in it, that's about a 5% return, no taxes. There'll be more EVs. And EVs, I don't know if you're familiar, but the distribution, the electrical distribution has to be bumped up hugely in order, because the current right now, independent of how much power is there, people have the Hydro One has to be able to distribute it, and so those costs are going to go up. So ultimately, you can expect your electricity bills to start moving up. They have to. Somebody's got to pay for it. When the summer kicked in, because I had it installed in January, and you don't see January's a pretty dull, overcast month. But come summertime, that's when I wasn't paying any electricity at all. So, and that's pretty much been maintained. You don't even think about it, to be quite frank with you. For the most part, you don't think about it. It takes care of itself. And you know, that's a good thing. You don't want something to be in your face, at least not in my face. I like the idea of not contributing to global warming as much as possible. I mean, as much as I can economically get away with. So that was part of the reason for solar. Well, the nice part about it is that there's no moving parts. Moving parts, they have a greater failure rate than non-moving parts work, right? That's just reality. I don't care, I'm happy where I am, so, you know, I'm happy with solar. I don't have any problem with that. I'd recommend them, sure, you got it.